Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Saturday morning weight check. Good morning. It is time for making our breakfast. I'm heating up the skillet and then I'm going to put some tallow in it and then we'll get going on our eggs and sausage. While that's finishing heating up, I am going to go ahead and put some of this. This is just ground pork that I made in the crock pot the other day. So I'm just going to put some of that in here. I'll microwave that up. I'll put a little salt and pepper in it. And there. I'll microwave that while my eggs are cooking. So let's go on and get our eggs cooking. Alright, let's crack us some eggs. I'm going to do 2 eggs this morning. Salt, pepper, salt and peppers here on my lid. But then I'm going to do some water. Put on just a little bit of water. And I'll cover them for 2 minutes. And I'm going to microwave my ground pork. Don't forget my mama's rule. If you put something in the microwave, make sure you cover it, whether it's a paper towel or a paper plate. Because if it gets to popping, it will make a mess in your microwave. That's my mama's golden rule. Let's check out our eggs here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's going to be just the way I like them, over medium. Whoops. See what we think. Look how pretty that is. Poke it. Oh, yes. It's a little more than over medium, but a little less than over medium. Almost over easy, but not quite. Let me get it chopped up and stirred up in there with the ground pork. Yeah, buddy. It's going to be a good breakfast. This could be where you would stop. If you're carnivore, just get you some good old ground pork and eggs. But you know me. I'm always got to meddle with stuff. So I'm going to add in a handful of tomatoes. Handful of tomatoes. And there we go. That's going to be my breakfast today. Happy Saturday. Hey y'all, it's Saturday, which means a lot of meal prep and a lot of great smells. So I am eating my meal prep from last weekend. This is the shish kebabs that I made. And of course I have to chew slow because I don't know if any of the pieces have any toothpicks in them. But yeah, that's going to be my lunch today while I'm doing all this meal prep. Okay, bye. Supper tonight, I've got this butternut squash that I roasted, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. It's been in the freezer and I pulled some out. So I'm going to put some of this butternut squash into here. And then, along with that, I have some meat these were the kebabs that I made. Some of these might have some of the pieces that were on the, this doesn't have the vegetables, this is just meat. So this will have might have some of the meat that had the toothpicks in it. So I got a mark for me to chew slow. So I'm going to microwave these two right quick. And while those are microwaving, I'll pull me out some fruit. This is just, I just accidentally left that out from the refrigerator to get to something. So I'll microwave these for 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Also, I had some, when I bought the butter for the, for something I made this weekend, I put a stick in the freezer. So I'm going to pull just a little bit of that out and put it in with the butternut squash. Just a little bit of it. A tablespoon. The rest of this butter I'm going to put in this Ziploc bag. I don't know how long you can keep butter in the refrigerator, but I know I keep it a long time in the freezer. So what I probably should do is slice it up and put it in there, but I ain't got time for that. Having it in here, I'll know what it is. If I remember correctly, I did not season my meat for the grill. So I'm going to put some of this Beatty Complete seasoning on there. And I put my butternut squash back in the microwave for 1 more minute. Okay, so I got my butternut squash. I'm going to look, let's see. No, I don't like the smell of that. Yeah, let's put a pinch of cinnamon on there. A pinch of pumpkin pie spice. Okay, so that is going to be my supper. Let's taste it. Okay, here's the butternut squash. It's pretty steamy. That's good. Our burger of beef. A little more salt. It needs a little salt to disguise the blackened beef. Not bad. And it's a fruit. Happy Saturday evening.